Oh, that's a lot of snow. Molly loves it.
1, 2, 3, 4, get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive. 6, 7, 8, feeling great. 9, gonna shine, life is good. I'm doing fine. 10, gonna do it right and do it again, yeah. I look into the sky with all the beautiful color, but there's more than just for me, so gonna share it with another. I got to show, to give, let out. I want to sing and shout. Take a look and see a beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you want
What's wrong, Molly? Molly, where's your ball? Let's go get it. Yes. Can you guys find Molly's ball? Apparently, because it is tucked so far behind there, there is no good path that Molly can take to get to there, because clearly she can't walk on top of this paper. And obviously this bag isn't going to let her go by. So yes, I have to come out here and grab her ball for her. You're welcome. Hey guys, good morning or afternoon or evening or whatever time of day you're watching it. It's actually afternoon for me. I am home early because, as we predicted, it is snowing outside and the kids were given an early release day. So obviously I'm not going to be doing treatment sessions with kids who are at home. So I am home now and I just had a little bit of lunch and now I'm hanging out with the girls. Just chilling, trying to entertain them. Derek is still at work. I don't think he's gonna get an early release day. The joys of working in the school. Yes. But I also don't get paid for those hours that I'm not there. So pros and cons, pros and cons. But I made it home safely. The roads are just wet. It started really snowing by the time I got home. Well, actually when I left it was snowing pretty good. But it was like 33 degrees out, so it was just warm enough that it didn't freeze on the roads or anything. It just made the roads really wet. So there were puddles and stuff that kind of pulled you one way or the other, but other than that, it was fine. So I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to do this afternoon. I'm considering gluing that so that we can maybe start getting the edges of the new one ready. And also dealing with these two, like I said before.
Hey guys, so I am home now. I left work a little bit early because the roads were getting really crappy, but this is Winter Storm Vulcan as of so far. I don't know how well you can see the snow, but it is snowing really hard. Got a few inches of snow built up and the roads are crappy. Really crappy. And this is just the beginning. It's supposed to snow like this like all night. We've got a few inches already and it's just gonna be piled up all around us.
Doesn't feel good.
So we're settling in. Jessica's doesn't feel great. She's being
Molly's harassing me.
Oh, now you feel bad. You didn't feel so bad when she did it to me yesterday.
Because you're not sick.
But as I was saying, we're settling in for a evening of being cozy. Probably gonna start a new puzzle. Jessica glued the other puzzle.
Yep.
So that is all set to be moved off the coffee table. We'll probably start another one, watch a movie or something, and just do as little as possible, because that's what you do during a snowstorm. Because you know at some point you're gonna have to go outside and shovel all that snow.
Turn around.
What? Do you put a fuzz on my butt?
No, you were sitting over here next to Molly. It's her fault. Well, I picked a movie.
We're gonna watch a movie? Work on a puzzle maybe?
Yep.
And eat the last bite of your Christmas?
I guess so. We're gonna watch The Oz, the Great and Powerful.
I've heard good things.
I know, I just read the back of it and it looks really good.
Just think it was all just starting to melt too.
I know. And there were lots of birds. I feel like we should get a bird feeder just because I feel so bad for the birds because they're not going to be able to find anything to eat.
I heard a woodpecker this morning. It's going.
Really? I've never heard a woodpecker make that noise before.
It's approximate, not exact. Maybe it was more like.
Really? Are you sure it wasn't a toucan or something?
No, it was not a toucan. That doesn't even make any sense.
Are you sure it didn't sound like this?
That doesn't even sound close.
Oh, I love looking up at this wall. I think it came out so good. Okay.
Start the movie.
Motivational Wednesday.
Bam, bam, puzzles. That's your motivation for today.
And now sit back and enjoy the movie.
If you want to do it, then get to it.
Maybe you should be a...
Motivational speaker?
That's not quite what I was thinking. Whatever Eric does.
Oh, a wellness coach?
Yeah, you can motivate people to be well.
This is what you could look like if you don't start working out.
No, that's not what I meant. You're a dweeb.
I am the leader of the wellness committee.
You are?
Yeah. Been the supreme overlord for a long, long time.
Oh, jeez. Oh my goodness.
A self-decided title.
I could see how that would be, yes, true. Very, very true. I pretty much assumed that, actually. Okay, so, let me turn on the light while we still have it. Because the lights have been a-flickering, ladies and gentlemen. They have been a-flickering. Derek's getting out a candle, just in case. Also, we have not edited the video yet. So, apologies if this doesn't go up on the expected day. Also, if you'll notice around the candle, we have got the edge done of the second puzzle. Woot, woot!
I've had a few flickers now. This is the first one that was enough to turn off the computer and the TV.
Which, luckily, we just finished our video. So, by the way, Oz the Great and Powerful, excellent movie, highly recommended.
Yeah.
He keeps looking out there and then closing
I
it.
don't want to go out there.
I don't. So it's been a while. We still have light, but I've still got the candles on just in case. I'm not 100% convinced because I've seen people post things on Facebook saying that they don't have power.
Yeah, it's flickered a couple times still. All I need is like 15, maybe 20 minutes to get this video up, and then we're good.
I think the girls might want to come with you.
They might think they want to.
Oh, that's a lot of snow. Molly loves it. Oh, was that necessary? Oh, Sophie's trying so hard. Molly, be careful.
I dig you a pat.
Sophie's like, I'm coming back in.
Oh, no. Okay, wait, no. I think that's just this one. Oh, maybe not. Come on, don't go out.
Don't go out. Don't go out. Don't go out.
Snow is up to here on me.
Sophie, is it over your head? I saw you jumping. Molly's eating the snow.
So much snow.
It looks really like heavy too.
Heavy, thick. Do you want to build a snowman?
We totally should. Maybe tomorrow. He's seriously building a snowman. How's it going?
It's kind of fell apart. He's relaxing, and he doesn't have any arms or facial features, but
He's there. Wait. Do you know who that is?
Nope.
Man, I thought winter was over.
Nope. Well, it almost is over, but we still have snow.
Dang.
It's just spring snow now. Well, it's still snowing. It's building back up again. It's hard to tell. I even went out and shoveled now. And we're still worried about losing power because those power lines seem to be sagging quite a bit, blowing around in the breeze, and I don't know. Might be a dark night. So we're probably just gonna go to bed and solve the problem. Yeah, we're gonna go to bed, get some sleep. Hopefully, well, I don't know. It's supposed to snow all through the night and all tomorrow, so there'll be more snow to see then. We hope you guys enjoyed watching us play in the snow.
Watching you play in the snow.
Yes. Well, the dogs joined in too.
Yeah, that's true.
And you'll probably get to see some more of that tomorrow.
Yes.
If you enjoyed today's video, remember, like, subscribe, so you get to see some more videos from us. And we'll check back in with you tomorrow and let you know how Winter Storm Vulcan is doing then. Night.
Night.
Beautiful morning that turns into a beautiful evening, and together make a beautiful life. And if you wanna see, then come along with me, that's right. And if you want a good tomorrow,